Mitsubishi Electric has developed its own AI technology called MAISART. Its unique feature is that it can be scaled and embedded on virtually any scale of operations. Its plug-and-play nature makes it easy to deploy, even for companies that have not worked with such technologies before. Diagnosing existing problems is not enough for agile enterprises. That's why, in a very similar way, MAISART was also adopted on the edge level. MAISART is an edge computing technology that can easily analyze data from various factory floor devices. Such data can be easily manipulated by various data science methods. But of course, at the heart of it lays MAISART. When using MAISART, trends and unusual behaviors are recognized on the factory floor easily and hassle-free. Summary: AI is becoming a new source of competitive advantage. Reaping the benefits of AI is easier than ever before.